Happy day, my dear kids. Today we are going to revise chapter weight.
Children, today we are going to see chapter 9 weight. We are going to revise this chapter today. Write today's date in your classwork copy. Take fresh page and write 5/2/2021 and write it as homework. The note which is given for you to understand the concept. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram or 1 kg is equal to 1000 g. So kilogram can be represented as kg. Here the unit of weight. What is the unit of weight? Unit of weight is kilogram. Always the unit of weight is kilogram, kg. Look at here. I have drawn the weight machine for you to explain in detail. Here the number starts from 0 and goes on continuing, and here it represents 1 kg. Between 0 to 1 kg we have so many lines. Let me count these lines. After 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. To reach 1 kg we will get 10, right? Already we know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Between 0 to 1000 gram we have 10 lines, right? So each line indicates how many gram. To find that, what we have to do is from 0 to 1 kg or from 0 to 1000 gram we have to take 1000. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, right? So I am taking 1000 here. So 1000 divided by, between 0 to 1 kg how many lines are there? 10 lines. So we have to divide it by 10. 1000 divided by 10. So if you divide 1000 by 10, which means how many times we will get 1000 by using 10 table? 100 times. We will get 100 times. This is one time. 10 ones are 10. And here 100 tens are 1000. So we will get 100. This 1000 represents gram, right? So 100 gram. So each line represents 100 gram. Inge 10 lines irukku. So each line represents 100 gram. For every weight machine we have to find like this. Here from 0 to 1 kg 10 lines are there. So I divided 1 kg by 10 because of using 10 lines. Look at here. In this weight machine it starts from 0 and the number represented after 0 is 500 gram. From 0 to 500 gram how many lines are there between 0 to 500 gram? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here from 0 to 500 gram 10 lines are there. So we have to divide 500 gram by 10. Using 10 lines we have to divide it. Okay children. So if you divide 500 gram by 10 we will get the answer as, use 10 table. 10 ones are 10. How many times we will get 500 using 10 table? 50 tens are 100. 50 tens are 500. So we will get the answer as 50 gram after dividing 500 gram by 10. So each line represents 50 gram over here. Are you clear here? Are you clear with this? Here if we are considering from 0 to 500 10 lines are there. So we are taking 500 divided by 10. In this weight machine from 0 to 1 kg 10 lines are there. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So we are dividing 1000 gram by 10. Therefore each line represents 100 gram over here. In this weight machine each line represents 50 gram. Hope you all understand this. So in this way we have to find the individual line over here. Roman letter 1 expressed in grams. Let me see the first problem. 4 kg equal to dash gram. 4 kilogram equal to dash gram. How will you find the weight of 4 kg is equal to dash gram? We know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. If we have 4 kg means we have to multiply 4 with 1000. If 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram means we are converting 1 kg as 4 means 1 into 4 we will get 4. Similarly, we have to multiply 1000 with 4. So what will we get? 1000 into 4 is 4000. So 4000 gram. So 4 kg is equal to 4000 gram. Okay. Second problem. 6 kg 90 gram is equal to dash gram. How will you find this? So think of that. 1 kg is equal to how many gram? 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 6 kg is equal to 1000 into 6 equal 1000 into 6 gram. So 1000 into 6, 6000 gram. Here we have 90 gram, right? So add 90 gram with 6000. Then what will we get? 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 9, 9. 0 plus nothing, 0. 6 plus nothing, 0. 6 plus nothing, 6. So 6090 gram. Therefore 6 kg 90 gram is equal to 6090 gram. 4 kg 6 gram equal to dash gram. By using the formula 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, 4 kg is equal to 4000 gram. 1000 into 4 is equal to 4000. And we have 6 gram here, right? So we have to add 6 gram with 4000 gram because here 4 kg plus 6 gram is equal to 4 kg 6 gram. So 4 kg is converted as 4000 gram. So we have to write 6 kg under 4000 in ones place. 6 is a single digit number, so we have to write under ones place only. This is ones place, okay? So 0 plus 6 is equal to 6. 0 plus nothing, 0. 0 plus nothing, 0. 4 plus nothing, 4. So 4006 gram. 4 kg 6 gram is equal to 4006 gram. Hope you all understood, children. Similarly, I will give few more problems for you to do as like this. Okay. I have given few problems. So 1563 gram can be written as 1000 plus 563 gram. So we separate 1000 gram plus 563 gram. Now write 1000 gram as 1 kg. So 1 kg plus 563 grams. So we have to write here as kg as 1, the value of kg as 1 and the value of gram as 563. So hope you all understood how to do this. I will do one more problem for you. 4050 gram can be expressed as dash kg and dash gram. Here, as same as we have done earlier, we have to take 5050 gram. We have to separate this as in terms of 1000. In thousands place, what is there? Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. In thousands place, 4 is there. So we have to separate 4 as 4000. In thousands place, 4 is there. So we have to take 4000 separately. 4000 gram plus, here we have 050. Okay, so write 050 as it is to make it clear. So 4000 gram is equal to 4 kg plus we have, if any number before any number 0 is present means we have to omit 0. Okay, before the number except 0, if there is any number before 5 or 4 or 6, if we have any number, if if the number starts with 0, that 0 has no value, so we have to omit that 0. So I am leaving this 0. Write 50 without writing 0 in front of 5. We no need to write 0. What it represents means, in ones place 0 is there, in tens place 5 is there, in hundreds place 0 is there. So 0 into hundreds are 0. It doesn't mean any, it doesn't give any value. So we have to omit this. Okay, we have to omit only this 0. Therefore we got the answer is 4 kg 50 gram. 4 kg 50 gram. Next one, I will give few problems for you as like this. You have to do it by yourself, children. Okay, I have given 4 problems for you to express gram into kilogram and gram. Third Roman letter, adding kilograms and grams. Here 5 kilogram 600 gram plus 3 kilogram is given. We have to add these two values. Before going to add this, we have to write kg and gram separately. Kg and g, gram. Okay, after writing like this, we have to take the value from both the terms. In first term, we have kg and gram. So we have to write this in same line. Under kg, we have to write 5. Okay, then in first term itself, we have kg and gram, right? So what is the value of gram? 600. So under gram we have to write it as 600. Then what is given as next? Plus. So in next line we have to write plus away from for number 5. Okay, so in second line we have to write plus. Then after plus we have only kg, we don't have any gram. So under kilogram we have to write only 3, and we don't have any gram, so we have to write it as 0, 30. Why we are writing 3 zeros? Because 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Whenever the value reaches 1000, then 1000 gram is converted into 1 kg, right? So if we have up to 999 gram, up to from 0 to 999 gram, the value does not changes to kilogram. So how many digits are there until reaches 1000? 3. 1, 2, 3. So always the gram should be represented in the form of 3 terms. In the form of 3 terms. Okay. So that's why I have written 3 zeros. If any value is not given for gram, instead of gram we have to put zeros. 3 zeros. Okay. Then add all the values. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 0, 6. 5 plus 3, 8. Therefore, we got the value as 8 kg 600 gram. So, we have to write here as 8 kg 600 gram. Okay. I will explain next problem also for you to make it clear in addition. Okay, children. Second problem, 4 kg 650 gram plus 450 gram. 4 kg 650 gram plus 450 gram is equal to dash kg dash gram. We have to add these two values. So we have to write it separately. We have to write the values separately under kilogram and gram. In first term, before plus, we have kg and gram also, kilogram and gram also. So under kilogram we have to write 4. Under gram we have to write 650. Then we have to write plus in second line. Then after plus, do we have any kilogram value? No. So if we don't have kilogram value, then we have to put it as 0. We have only gram value 450. So we have to write this gram value under gram 450. Now add this value. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10. So if we have 10 means we have to write only 0. In ones place we have 0, right? So we have to write that value only. This 1 will be carried over to next place. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So from 11 again you have to write only 1. From 11 we have to write ones place value 1, then this 1 will be carried over to next place. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 5 plus 0, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 0, 5. Therefore, we got the answer as 5 kg 100 gram. 5 kg 100 gram. So, hope you all understood how to do addition problem very easily. This is as normal addition only. We have to take the value and write it correctly for doing addition. Okay. I have given 4 problems for you to do addition sums. Okay. I have given 4 addition problems for you to do it by yourself. Roman letter 4, subtracting kilogram and grams. First problem, 4 kg minus 950 gram is equal to dash kg and dash gram. Here, in first term only kg is given. In second term only gram is given. So what we have to do? Either we can convert kilogram as gram, or we can convert gram as kilogram. Here only 950 gram is there. If the value reaches 1000, then only we can convert gram into kilogram. So we can change kilogram as gram. It is very easy for you to do it. 4 kilogram is equal to 4000 gram. Okay. So subtract 950 from 4000 gram minus 950, write it under 4000. You have to write from ones place only. Okay. Now subtract these values. 0 minus 0, 0. Can we subtract 5 from 0? No. So we have to share it from neighbor place. Here neighbor place also we have 0. So again we cannot share it from neighbor place. Now we have to move to next place. 4. From 4, if you share one value, then we will get 3 over here. Then here it will become 10. Now from 10 we can share one value to here. From 10, if you share one value, then this becomes 10. Then this 10 becomes 9. Now 10, now subtract this value. Then this 0 becomes 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 9, 0. 3 minus nothing, 3. Therefore, we got the answer as 3050 gram. Here, we can convert gram into kilogram and gram, right? That means 3050 can be written as 3000 plus 50, okay, gram. So, we can separate this as 3000 gram plus 50 gram. 3000 can be written as 3 kilogram. 3000 gram can be written as 3 kilogram, and we have to write remaining gram value as it is. So 3 kilogram 50 gram. Okay. So in this way we can do the problem. And second problem, 4 kg 30 gram minus 2 kg 150 gram is equal to dash kg and dash gram. So as we have done in addition problem, we have to do the same. Separate kg and g, kilogram and gram. Now write the values under kilogram and gram. In first term, and near kg 4 is there, so we have to write 4 as it is. Then near gram only 30 is there. Always the gram should be in 3 digits, as I said earlier. 3 digits means how we have to write 30 as it is, and from right side you have to move ones, tens and hundreds. In hundreds place we have to put 0. Okay. Always the gram should be of 3 digits, so we have to write from ones place ones, tens, and in hundreds place nothing is there, so we have to put 0. You should be very clear about this 0. Okay. Then minus 2 kilogram means we have to write only 2, and gram we have to write 150 gram. For this purpose, here 3 digits are there, here only 2 digits are there. That's why we are including one more 0 in hundreds place. Okay, now subtract these values. 0 minus 0, 0. Can we subtract 5 from 3? No. So we have to share from next place. Here 0. So we cannot share to next place, tens place. Again we have to get one value from 4. So if you give one value, then it will become 3. This 0 becomes 10. Now share one value again to 3. Then 10 becomes 9. 3 becomes 13. Now subtract 5 from 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. 9 minus 1 is 8. 3 minus 2 is 1. Therefore 1 kg 880 gram. I have given 4 subtraction problems for you to do it by yourself.
Hope you all understood the concept. Thank you, my dear kids.